If Quick Share is not working on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, what you can do is you can open Settings. Let's switch to connected devices, and over here let's open the Quick Share. So first thing that you need to do is you need to go to who can share with you, and you need to switch from no one to either contacts only or everyone. Most likely you want to choose everyone. This is the safest option or the most reliable one. And you can also uncheck this option only for 10 minutes in case you need actually more time to figure it out. And then we can press done. Another thing that is also quite important and that you might want to use is this one, allow sharing over internet. So if the direct connection is not possible, QuickShare can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data instead. So we can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on. However, you need to actually have a Samsung account. You need to sign into your Samsung account in order to be able to use this feature. And these are two most important things that you can do in order to repair issues with QuickShare. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.